Welcome back, you guys, or if you're new here, welcome. Today's video, we are focusing on this beauty right here. I put a poll up on my Instagram and you guys all voted for another thrift lip, so let's get started. I went to the thrift store and picked up some goods. The purple night dress is the main focus of this video today. It has this really pretty stitching heart detail in the center panel, and the shine to the fabric is everything. Absolutely everything. Like, look at how pretty this is. Like, come on. I really wanted this thrift lip to be something that I could do in just a few hours, just a day's work. So I have a vision in my mind of what I want the front to look like. The back, I have absolutely no clue. We'll see. I kind of like the length of this, but that might change. So I measured the front and the back of the dress to see where I wanted to make the cutouts, folded it in half, then cut the dress into two separate pieces. Honestly, even this would be like really cute as is, as a little two-piece, but it's not the plan. I would have to fix the back because it's not cute. This is like a loose, but this would make a really cute two-piece. Threw the bottom half of the dress back on inside out and pinned it to my figure. Then I folded the dress back up and made the side cutouts. Tried that right back on, right side out, to see if I liked it, and of course I did not. So I cut it to my satisfaction. When I put it back on, the bottom half was still way too big because now it drapes more. So I turned the dress inside out again and pinned the seams to my figure one last time to get the perfect fit. Once I was satisfied, I sewed the seams up, and my poor sewing machine, you guys, was having so many issues this day. I felt so bad for her. How? Sad. And honestly, am I the only one that finds this oddly satisfying? Okay, back to sewing. I made a stay stitch on the bottom half of the dress so I could fold the edges over nicely and have an even finish. Once that was done, I attached the top and the bottom half together. I needed to take the top of the bottom up more and the bottom of the top down. To come up more, like like, you see how it's baggy right here? It shouldn't be doing that, so. I seam ripped the two pieces apart again and redid that, and voila. The final step was to hem the top. Okay, I got it where I want it on the front, so now I just have to finish it. Say hi, so. You wanna go outside? You want a treat? But I think that looks good, and then this is gonna tuck up to be like that. You guys, it was also raining all day this day. Right at sunset, the sky opened up, and I'm just gonna let you witness this beauty of the universe with me for a second, because
I've been contemplating about why I feel so jaded. Sometimes I feel amazing, but mostly I feel crazy. This stupid situation is keeping my heart vacant. I'm trying to find a way out.
This isn't what I'm used to without you, and that June you made me brand new again. July, we're in the car, the radio on. You tried to turn it off, but I can't move on. And I know that we'll grow, and one day I'll be fine and look cool again. And I could try to chase the August sun, but summer doesn't last all year. My love, without you and that June you made me brand new again. July, we're in the car, the radio on. You tried to turn it off.